In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Ford F-150. You'll have a wiper blade along each side of the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. A quick note about doing your wiper blades: when you lift up on the wiper arm, you're going to find that it has pressure pushing it down towards the windshield. That's spring pressure. When we do get the wiper blade off of here, you need to make sure the arm does not hit up against the windshield. It could break it. With that said, let's carefully lift up on the wiper arm. Once you have it in a position where you can angle the wiper blade, right where my index finger is, there's a small locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze that in, and now we're going to separate this by pulling it towards us. There it is, friend. Now after you've cleaned your wiper arm and inspected it, it's time for installation of the brand new wiper blade. You want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation so the hooked portion of your wiper arm slides into place properly. So with that said, let's start on the outboard side here of the wiper arm, and we're going to continuously slide it inboard. Once you hear an audible click from the locking tab, we're attempting to pull this out of place. If it slides out of place, it's not locked in, and that could potentially be very dangerous. This is secured, so let's go ahead and rest this against the windshield. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one side of our vehicle's wiper blades. Typically when you do these, you do them as a pair. The process for one side of the vehicle is going to be the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed both wiper blades, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.